Nothing recently revealed the design of its first smartphone, the Nothing Phone 1, sporting a transparent back panel with dual cameras and light strips. Now the phone has starred in videos posted on YouTube by Rafael Jair and Dusk and Was, giving us an even better look at it. The Nothing Phone 1 has a flat design with the antenna lines on the frame confirming a metal build. You can also see the smartphone has the power button on the right side frame, with volume keys located on the left. At the bottom is the USB-C port joined by a speaker grill and microphone. The glowing lights look cool, but it's unclear if they will blink only for incoming notifications. We have seen some Oppo smartphones with orbit lights around the rear cameras which light up when you receive notifications, charge the phone or launch a game. Following the teaser hint from earlier this week, Nothing Phone 1's design is now revealed by the tech startup. We already knew phone would bring a transparent back, and we can see the wireless charging coil too. That's the only component of the device and partially gets the transparent treatment. The rest of the back is covered up, and we can see the dual camera setup in the top left corner and Nothing logo on the bottom. There are also several light up strips around the camera and charging coil, which should be interesting to see in real life. Nothing touts the phone design as designed with intention, full of warmth and joy. The phone appears to have flat sides, and we can see a volume rocker on the left hand side as well as a power button on the opposite side. Nothing Phone 1 should debut with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset and 45-watt fast charging. The software side will be handled by Nothing OS based on Android 12. Like the Nothing earbuds, Nothing Phone 1 is also going to feature a semi-transparent design at the back, which gives you a look at the internal elements. Besides this, it has been observed that the Nothing Phone will have sleek metallic sides with flat edges, making it look like an iPhone but with transparent aesthetics. Nothing CEO Carpe already confirmed that it will have its own Nothing OS, which is expected to run on Android 12 out of the box. Well, several leaks suggest that it could be powered by a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset along with wired and wireless charging options. For photography, it will feature dual camera setup at the back, though specifications are yet to be revealed.